Rising Stars champion of 2005. Let's welcome Christopher Martin!
Take youths inside of greatest thing. From me know you are real man, you can't defend yourself. The real youth them, every man can do it. You are real people and them back. Boy, talk this for all, to the ladies now. Boy, hear this for all, to the ladies now. So all of them go against the national order. Give me some box it. And box it low, please. Ta-da-ta-da-da. Can I know all of this? One people, yeah. Me now got change, me now go blow. No matter what, I run the place now. Chris Martin will never separate from ladies. No, 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 no. Box it up. Some youth are pour them tongue and when them box it up. Box it up, please. One time. Some youth are pour them tongue and when the mouth burn down, they run the police down the bottom. Told them be to impress girl, let them free the world. It's like the nature them has started. The more them never check the box. Real man now look at them father line up from them smart. But from them know you're straight and you're a fish from beer. When we see a lot in the crowd.
Ladies scream! Let me hear you! Say if you know Chris! Let me hear you! What do you know, Chris? Let me hear you! You want to finish the verse, eh? You want to finish it? Somebody scream! Chris, it's a one verse. It's all you're allowed to virgin. Go again!
What to do? Come on. Things have changed from how they used to be. And as a people we must face reality. In this age and confused society, some love how them born one shift them sexuality. That's what have them, think down one put in. Don't of them, don't one put on. Leave down all them want to feel when them never feel. Them want to feel right.
Watch yourself! Watch yourself! Hold on, let's let me hear you. Hold on, let's let me see you.
Wagwan ENT.